The ARG30 features continuous cast iron grates housing 4 sealed burners on the cooktop. This one is 12,000 BTUs. This is your high-powered 18,000 BTU. Check out that blue flame. This is your 9,000 BTU back burner and your low, simmering 3.5K BTU burner. Behind them is the oven ventilation. The knobs have a beautiful metallic finish with knurling for style and function. Click this for the oven light. Now let's turn it off to enjoy this beautifully tinted oven door.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. With that, thank you for watching and go check out this video you may find just as helpful.